Hello friends, hello students. Again I am here with another to-dos form, present tense form as well as past tense form. To-dos forms are do, does and did. In present tense you have do and does, and in past tense you have did. So in which condition do has to be used and in which condition does or did has to be used, we will see in this video. Number one is do. To-dos form do, does and did, they are used whenever we want to make questions and whenever we want to make negative sentences in the absence of am, is, are, was, were, have, has, had. So these auxiliaries, to be's and to have's auxiliaries, if they are absent and we want to make negative sentences as well as questions, we use to-do's forms, do, does and did. So the present tense forms of to do are do and does. Now whenever the subject is first person singular and first person plural, we use do and the tense has to be simple present tense. For example, I don't like ice cream, we don't like ice cream. So in both the case, the subject is first person singular as well as plural and the tense is simple present tense. Now does this particular to do's auxiliary verb is used or form is used whenever the subject is third person singular and the tense is simple present tense. For example, he doesn't like ice cream, she doesn't like ice cream, it doesn't like jumping. So in all this scenario, the subject is third person singular and the tense is simple present tense. Or a rabbit doesn't like jumping, a tortoise doesn't like running. So in this case, the subject is third person singular and the tense is simple present tense. Now in which condition did is used? Did, this particular to-do's form, which is past tense form, and it is used whenever the tense is simple past and you want to make the negative or WH question or S-no question of the given sentence if to be's and to have's auxiliary verbs are absent from the sentence. For example, I gave 10 rupees to my son. This is one sentence. Now I want to make S-no question of this. And there is no am, is, are, was, where, have, has, had present in this particular sentence. So I will make it as did I give 10 rupees to my son? Question mark. The tense is simple past and let there be any kind of subject. It may be first person singular plural, second person plural singular or third person plural singular, because there is only one form of to do in past, that is did. Fine. So he did not like it, she did not like it, I did not like it, we did not like it, you did not like it, they did not like it, boys did not like it, one and the same. Make sure that when you are using did, the past sense is already gone in did, so the action word has to be used in main form. Like I did not like it, make it like and not liked. You commit error over here, I have found. So I'm telling you, did I give, did you like? So we are using it in main form or basic form, the action word, because the past tense has already gone to did. And in my previous video I forgot to tell you the use of were. So I will tell you the use of were or were, where. So where this particular to be's past tense form is used whenever the subject is first person plural. We were absent yesterday, we were singing. So either it is simple past or past continuous. Similarly, you were absent yesterday, you were disturbing my class. So whenever the subject is second person singular as well as plural, we are going to use were. The tense has to be either simple past or past continuous tense. Similarly, were, this particular to be's past tense form is used whenever the subject is third person plural and the tense is simple past or maybe past continuous tense. For example, they were absent or they were singing, like this. So in this way we discussed about to be's, to do's and to have's form today. I hope the things are clear to you guys. Thank you.